apreko ya friend Abronye me catch him say nim nyansa wagimi
amono motewo de bompa yesa ko praying antinto na enkum president aka se president abusuafo nyina nwu
mate se Afenyo Markin ede ono ankasa ne ho akosi awawa ene e Baįl Abronye
na Kevin Taylor o se Abronye so mu na de be wo watoto bia ma ne die mu oden enye ono nko a nipa obo a ne ma ye grantee ni bill honorable Alexander Afeny Markin me no ka say enya asem ketwa ahaya ba loudest and any first time I wish ya me a make sure subscribe afeature wadwe on comment section ho like na follow me on all social media pages yento ayokofa ne so ewo ho yembo ra asem nim Loudest. So on 13th April 2026, any Abronye so Bekaya last year September, yeche no ewon nsem bi se ya ho tena ohia TV so na wakeka nsem ahodo bebre. Eno ena ba kusi ya we okan e de fa dental circuit court, high court judge enho a eno no empanifo hu ni se etia emra fe wetiti ankofo fa ho gi so ena fe wakose fear and panic. Ene hu sense me be charges ne de abusia edoso. Then we ya granted the bill. MPP mpanifo ni bi ekoboaye honorable Alexander Afeny Markin ene nana bi mu ekoho.
So just as the national organizer has said, we heard of the arrest of our chairman Abronye and then our brother, the communication officer, all the way from Sunyani. They brought him. We engaged the police and they've been reasonable. The initial plan was to detain them. We tried to discuss with them the need to at least release them on bail. And eventually the consensus was that I should stand surety. So I have done so. I've executed a bail bond for Chairman Abronye and Baba Amandu, the two of them. They've released them. They've set conditions for reporting, and we are thankful to them. We only want to draw the attention of Ghana police and the government to appreciate the fact that in a democracy, there must be some level of tolerance. They've raised some concerns regarding some issues that have come to their attention. I'm sure the legal counsel would take those matters up with our colleagues. But I would also want to urge them to be tolerant and let's try and manage some of these things without creating a whole media outrage or showing somebody where the power lies. But let me again thank them, the IGP and his CID boss, for accommodating us, listening to us, looking at the time. They should be closed and gone, but they've cooperated with us. Chairman Abronye was sent into custody. They have brought him back, and then bail has been granted. So, yeah, thank you so much.
What were the charges?
No further comment. Thank you very much. His leader has spoken. He has nothing further to say.
Na eno na Kevin Taylor so wonti ase. Chese watoto bia ma ne Abronye di mu odin.
Pielto. Mame no witi ni kakra ngu so. Sa apreko ya friend Abronye me catch him say. Wonim nyansa wagimi. Anka sa kwa we nobody in the party will pay attention to this pig. And you see, Abronye nipa bia na adwene half human half goat. Tie me. Sa Abronye we adwene dan timu no half human half goat. Now majority of the time no Aponkye adwene take over the human part. It is sometimes no utirano busa won say okay, if Abronye adwene dan timu half human half goat, the people he is leading as a political party were bono as the regional chairman no almost adwene no half goat half human ana. Nobody should sit anywhere else and say Kevin Taylor mementa Abronye minimum no. I don't hate him. He's not a human being to me. Onye ni pebia heaven ko edu ebetum na account into me. I don't hate Abronye. oni sika nkyɛn me ne ho nyɛ fɛ nkyɛn me ne mba ho nyɛ fɛ nkyɛn me mma ne yere ho nyɛ fɛ nkyɛn me yere ɔno tiro yo as Aponkye. So I don't need anything from him, but I want the law to work. You see this guy Abronye, when you go on social media today, some creating impression be say Abronye akoka LGBTQ ho asɛm ya kyerɛ ɛnyɛ no korɛ. NPP Bono regional chairman Kwame Bafo Abronye arrested by CID over alleged false publication, threats, and conduct likely to cause fear and panic against an Adenta Circuit Court judge. Ghana Police Service achia Abronye all because judge or Adenta or T Circuit Court no Abronye a threatening judge no. Or say judge no wa on it abandon with negotiation. These were emphatic statements. Or say judge now what Adenta Circuit Court no on it abandon our negotiation say or per se or day they be an obey jailing call for or a political judge. Second, Osaka say judge no any Ghana Police Service our negotiations man negotiate. And you see your statement are emphatic and your statement are speculative. The only Abronye no yes emphatic statement and speculative one body same no can you or can you actually say or the original suntia or kasa asem no. Now Abronye needs to prove that. Where did judge na or Adenta Circuit Court any aban etnasi agreement and negotiating say they are going to turn the court into a political court to judge or no Abronye and in nipa for and nipa or suspect say me MPP for. Secondly, or say judge no any Ghana Police Service your onu dad under no negotiate tenasi akwa pam. Intermediate, I don't have a problem with Abronye being arrested. All that I want to see is say Abronye approve ya chere Ghana for say judge na or say our Adenta Circuit Court no judge no our evidence chere say judge no any police any aban and negotiate because the statement wasn't speculative. The statement was emphatic.
And wachi bibia nye ne hi honorable Afenyo Markin so ko Baįl
now you see and then you mate say Afenyo Markin e de ono ankasa ne ho akosi awawa e ne Baįl Abronye Ghana mbrano pepepe ye Baįl no onko fie nkoda ade achi na Abronye begina court mema kwa bia mbeka se na obi use mbrano ti Abronye because you see na o deserve bail and na adwi ye Baįl no ya na kofie Ghana mbrano so kire ye chiwa you have say you are right to say ubenya bail akofie. I don't expect anybody to come tomorrow so Abronye ko gina court na we to me prove and kire court to say our evidence prove say judge way sebio one aban ako negotiation or koji sika wa aban ho one aban na transi assign agreement sade achi na Abronye ko gina court na court say because we to men prove way with evidence we could dem 6 months could dem 1 year men pese be wusa otwe bia abegina social media say otiem. Let's get these things right. Abronye, this is not his first time doing this. So why are they we are check because what happens and say oh yeah then we let him go. Abronye yeah, then he will let him go. And sana MPP in Koran no esua. It is all your MPP ni now say oh imre bi no na MPP was no obi kan bibi say ya nchena ntumtu beka bi say ya do be scapegoat. And I pray say they will arraign Abronye before court. And for Abronye to come and prove to Ghana for say ampa Adenta Circuit Court judge no wakoji agreement bi a one aban assign it bi a maniska day we no signing agreement no. This is the document proving some signing agreement, you know. Witness and what agreement na sinye. In fact, or a political judge. So Abronye to be prove sir, it is good for Ghana's development. So Abronye Felisa be prove sir, na judge no ehwe ekwanya or the kan sansem no egu judge no fin, egu Ghana Police Service no fin, egu judicial no fin, na say ya jeli Abronye. Memma kwase bia ntena onka say ene de ya aban ba. Wan hwa ubedem ansa na wa aban na ba. Ebi kura wa ban ba ube wo jail and sana wa ban ba in 42 years. Let us be serious in this nation.
So just in case you are wondering why ya omochi Abronye and someone otena ohia TV so kan no eni
me o baba cheme me na dey tell say ha me obi abompa ye se awurade ma praying enti akofo adonto fam awurade nkum akofo adone na busuafo nyina CID fo ankwankoche no e wo krom ha CID fo ankwankoche no na the next MPP government, you know, yen entertaining political police. And there's a fact. Yen entertaining political judges. Say, won't court. And a Dabiano, yes, Obia di Obiatem, won't court ni you are denta say, won't this answer no, we will not entertain our political judges, no, because you're homo. You're homo. We are entertaining political police for no ewo kroma. We are political judge. And untina Dabiano yenya case ya. Ya de kwa denta ho, judge na wa denta circuit court one, or your political judge. Mon calculating cases here, Nansay, Adenta ho, police for ya, no more the Adenta Circuit Court. Negotiating ban Ghana Police Service, any Adenta Circuit Court no, or your political judge. Judge now war Adenta no your political judge. Our ne abana ye negotiation. A intimidation court, and no my establishing a Adenta ho. Intimidation court. Enya court wa a deliver justice. Enya court wa ye fair because Ghana Police Service any judge you know negotiation. Any tina case be yamfa kwa Adenta Circuit Court or your political judge. Womo musuro sa mbeka kire wo no media count me out. Womo musuro sa mbeka kire say we political judge you know media count me out. Well, you can do foco. Koswana tinasi na sa political judge na wudi wo hono. Koswana di na twetwe brofo a emfa kwamu, wo brofo a enye wururi grammatical errors nkwa na de ti Adenta Circuit Court wo wururi sinyina wo twere grammatical errors nkwa. Wo brofo nye de nimni nyina wo grammar nye ana di judge wa Adenta ho. Wo brofo ya towo brofo. Judge I want to brofo utra basa. We a political judge wo brofo we ana de ti Adenta Circuit Court we nimu. Anya judge na odie. We a politician. Ana wakwa fa samboto bia kata wanim. Ana wa yese wo di judge why? Brofo we di judge. We a political judge ya. Emra bi beba ateke 146 ni be ya aduma. Because we need political judge forever. We need political because promise akoso agreement akoso promotion agreement ayadai akoso to a political judge. And in that case be Adenta Circuit Court. Every case Adenta Circuit Court or a political judge. Not political police if one the court. Obia bompaye nankaye judge ya. Say, yes, see, Obi, what threatening Obi spiritually. At the higher Cote d'Ivoire, Obi Nama also say a woman come no. Adana Monko Freno. Yes, he say a woman come where they say we're not my friend. Because such of who say, a maybe no NDC me. She say we're free NDC. Into young copper court, a very intimidating. No mako pe court o man nya court bi ase Adenta Circuit Court no man na akoye negotiation say yemfa no kwa Adenta ho na Adenta Circuit Court no enko ono de ye de ne kwa oba intimidating because or apply law na law no onim no apply wa bonke bia o wi ase onim law no apply law or your political judge no ti ho on la bena we ni when mama boss C plus ni DD omo di nya omo LLB di no omo nim D plus ni C plus na omo LLB omo score ye di no omo nim na mo no muti ho di bomb pa ye sa ko praying a president praying antinto na enkum president aka se president abusuafo nyina nwu some political police for no am our headquarters ho no mo wa fahin na mo ni hamboa we are watching na mo strategy ni say ese mo hu se obia humo the strategy ni say abansi sa na mo rase ti sa mo ba be ya adwuma ma say the politicians ya soro ne na mo sa ban best sa na political police be tene na yes onu mom and the MPP and this information by Brian, you'll be in trouble. Wow, they ban you be in trouble for two teams because and yama fun e kwaso neno e ma aban mess sama o me kan kire say who information be for NDC ho wo dogama na so ka Canada that time no won kan Emma MPP man sir no abeka say na me wo say time na NDC was now worry you are police officer ntina say sa so na political judge you can be
I will say hi about this. And then the first time I will share me a Mr. Subscribe Afenyo your comment section. Honey like me videos I would do maybe. Now I follow me on all social media pages. Just say hi. Yento ayo kufana soho. Macau.
Up the loudest.